went riding out one dark and windy day. Up on a ridge he rested as he went along his way. When all at once a mighty herd of red-eyed cows he saw, plowing through the ragged skies and up a cloudy draw.
Chères auditrices, chers auditeurs, bonsoir. Je suis ravie de vous retrouver ce soir sur RVL dans votre émission Country Valley.
Et bien mon tour, chers auditeurs, je vous souhaite bien le bonsoir sous le soleil normand et encore plus éclatant même à Épouville avec la radio RVL. Et bien nous démarrons de suite notre émission avec l'artiste Colin Ray. Colin Ray, donc de son vrai nom Floyd Elliott Wray, W-R-A-Y, qui est né le 22 août 1960 à Nashville. Il fait ses débuts en 1991. Son premier album place déjà un titre dans le numéro 1 des charts. Il sort au total 16 albums, ce qu'il fait c'est vraiment sympa. Dans ses débuts, il fait les premières parties des personnes quelque peu connues comme Jerry Lee Lewis, Elvis Presley, Johnny Cash, Carl Perkins. Et bien on écoute de suite Colin Ray avec Joséphine.
I'm writing this letter, my darling, from high on a hill. We've been marching 10 days and we're just outside Hopkinsville. It's been snowing all night and we ain't got no more kerosene. It's colder than hell, hope you're doing well, Josephine. There's a fever in camp and our boys are too sick to fight. We done lost old Calvin, Weaver won't make it through the night. I overheard the captain say it's the worst he's ever seen. I'm losing some weight, but I'm still standing up straight, Josephine. Tell the children I miss them and wish I could kiss them once more. Bet they've grown a foot since they waved me goodbye at the door. Tell Mama and Daddy I'm alright and just one more thing. I love you, I love you, I love you, Josephine. There's 3,000 Union troops camped at the river below. 600 of us, at least there was 2 nights ago. Will Irwin deserted, and they hung him down by the stream. Good God, I'm so scared. Keep me in your prayers, Josephine. The order came down, we attack tonight at nightfall. We can stop them right here, we can win this war once and for all. You know I killed a Union boy last week, I bet he wasn't 14. He looked just like our son, forgive me for what I've done, Josephine. Tell the children I miss them and wish I could kiss them once more. Bet they've grown a foot since they waved me goodbye at the door. Tell Mama and Daddy I'm alright and just one more thing. I love you, I love you, I love you, Josephine. darling, in case I should be killed. Don't grieve me too long, promise me that you will marry another and don't let him treat our babies mean. And when he's holding you, won't you think of me too, Josephine? Tell the children I miss them and wish I could kiss them once more. Bet they grow their foot since they waved me goodbye at the door. Tell Mama and Daddy I'm alright, and just one more thing. I love you, I love you, I love you, Josephine. Oh, I love you, I love you, I love you, Josephine.
Donc, Monsieur Colin Ray.
Il y a quelque temps, je vous avais passé un titre en français interprété par Monsieur Charlie West. Ce titre s'intitulait « Un secret lourd à porter ». Ce soir, pour commencer ma sélection, je vous ai choisi ce même titre, mais en version originale. Le titre... un titre de Monsieur Mark Chesnutt, pardon. Il s'intitule « A Hard Secret to Keep ». De suite, Monsieur Mark Chesnutt.
I stay up late and read a lot at night. And lately she's begun to wonder why. She don't know I'm scared that I'll start talking in my sleep. You're a hard secret to keep. And every time she asks me where I've been, that cheater's paranoia begins. Scrambling for an answer, anything she might believe. You're a hard secret to keep. One slip of the tongue's all it would take. Just one little note that I forgot to throw away. The slightest trace of makeup on a shirt that won't come clean. You're a hard secret to keep. Never meant for you to touch my heart. Never meant to take one night this far. How much longer can I live this double life I lead? You're a hard secret to keep. One slip of the tongue's all it would take. Just one little note that I forgot to throw away. The slightest trace of makeup on a shirt that won't come clean. You're a hard secret to keep. I wonder if she feels you every time she touches me. You're a hard secret to keep.
C'était donc Monsieur Mark Chestnut.
Et c'est original d'avoir passé la version originale. Oui. Ouais. D'accord. Donc nous continuons avec un groupe originaire du Montana, le coin des ranchs, donc aux US, avec un groupe qui s'appelle The Copper Mountain Band. Donc ce groupe fondé en 2001, il est composé de 5 membres. Ils ont partagé la scène de nombreux artistes à Nashville et autres grandes scènes. Ils ont plus de 150 spectacles par an. On a trouvé peu de choses sur leur bio, c'est un petit peu dommage, mais on va se faire plaisir quand même en les écoutant. Donc on écoute de suite The Copper Mountain Band avec un morceau Just Like Jesse James.
You are formally invited to redneck party. Troubles and heartaches at the door. Gonna be cowboys ball when our drinks come in strong and tall. So grab yourself a pretty friend and come hit the floor. A cowboy hats and boots are gonna be the racist shoes. And don't forget that old blue jeans, don't grip with booze and beer. I hope you don't like jukebox, 'cause I bet you put her out of style. This is gonna be the most fun you're gonna have for a while. You are formally invited to redneck party. Keep your troubles and your heartaches at the door. Gonna be cowboys ball when our drinks come in strong and tall. So grab yourself a pretty friend and come hit the floor. Now don't you be getting shy if you wind up needing a ride. We're just a bunch of down home folks. We're gonna make sure that you get home safe tonight. Well, you are formally invited to redneck party. Keep your troubles and your heartaches at the door. It's gonna be cowboys ball when our drinks come in strong and tall. So grab yourself a pretty friend. This party's never gonna end. So grab yourself a pretty friend and come hit the floor.
C'était donc The Copper Mountain Band.
Nous partons maintenant avec un duo formé par 2 grands noms de la musique country. Il s'agit de Monsieur Alan Jackson et Monsieur George Strait. Le titre que vous allez entendre de suite est tiré de l'album Drive de Monsieur Alan Jackson. Il s'intitule Designated Drinker. De suite, Messieurs Alan Jackson et George Strait.
Here's my keys. I want you to take them. I think I'm gonna need you to get back home. Hold on to my hat. I don't wanna lose it. I couldn't stand for something else to be gone. I'm sure you know the reason I'm here crying. I think you'll understand why tonight. I'm the designated drinker. I just lost the one that wrapped me around her finger. I need to get to where I can't think of I'm the designated drinker. I came here to get you to help me. I need a friend to see me through. I hated to call, I knew you wouldn't mind at all. I know you know I'd do the same for you. I'm not the kind that likes to drown my sorrow. I may hate myself tomorrow, but tonight I'm the designated drinker. I just lost the one that wrapped me round her finger. I need to get to where I can't think of her. So tonight I'm the designated drinker. We need to get to where we can't think of her. So tonight we're the designated drinkers. Oh, tonight we're the designated drinkers.
C'était donc messieurs Alan Jackson et George Strait.
Eh bien, nous continuons avec un excellent artiste texan, Monsieur Cory Morrow, qu'on a eu la chance de voir sur la scène de Craponne. Donc, il est né le 1er mai 1972 à Houston. En 1993, il se rend sur Austin, toujours au Texas, et là, il lance sa carrière musicale. Il fait partie de la scène Red Dirt. Sa carrière a débuté réellement, en fin de compte, en 97, il s'est fait connaître avant, mais sa carrière débute réellement en 97. Il a vendu plus de 200 000 albums et a enregistré 12 albums. Excellent, Monsieur Cory Morrow avec Drinking Alone.
We're gonna do a song for those of you who don't like to do anything by yourselves, especially drinking. Don't drink alone. I woke up with some wild turkeys staring at me. Poured a couple fingers into my cup of coffee, and I got up and I tried to recall the whole night. Why do I drink so much? Why do I smoke on that peace pipe? Nobody said to act like a Hollywood star, and I wasted too many hours, far too many bars. I don't like to drink alone at all. With the phone is ringing off the wall, I stumble through the beer and the cigarettes and women and all. kids. Well, I down another chug-a-lug and I blow her a whiskey kiss, yeah. Nobody said I've got to act like a Hollywood star. And I wasted too many hours and a few too many bars. I don't like to drink alone at all. They told me everything would be fine, but they lied. I knew that drinking alone was not right, at least in my mind. Yeah. I'm on the bus again, I'm crossing all the state borders. I'm on my way to another late night recording. Got all my friends on board and some in cars on the side. 'Cause you know I'll need some help drinking my way through the night. Nobody said I've got to act like a Hollywood star. And I wasted too many hours and far too many bars. I don't like to drink alone at all. No, at all.
C'était donc Monsieur Cory Moreau en live.
Nous partons maintenant avec une grande dame de la musique country, il s'agit de Madame Emmylou Harris. Le titre de ce soir est tiré de son album Cowgirl's Prayer, sorti en septembre 93. Il s'intitule Crescent City, de suite Madame Emmylou Harris.
Everybody's had a few. Now they're talking about who knows who. I'm going back to the Crescent City, where everything's still the same. This town has said what it has to say. Now I'm after that back highway and the longest bridge I ever crossed over Pontchartrain. That's what we say. We used to dance
C'était donc Madame Emmylou Harris.
Eh bien, nous poursuivons avec Monsieur Craig Morgan, artiste américain né en 1964 dans le Tennessee, ancien militaire de l'armée des États-Unis. Il débute sa carrière en 2000. Il est apparu 17 fois au classement Billboard et avec 9 albums sortis. 7 chansons, par contre, 7 titres classés dans le top 10. On écoute Monsieur Craig Morgan avec Redneck Yacht Club.
I'm meeting my buddies out on the lake. We're headed out to a special place we love that just a few folks know. There's no signing up, no monthly dues. Take your Johnson, your Mercury, or your Evan Root and fired up. Beat us out at Party Cove. Come on in, the water's fine. Just idle on over and toss us a line. Fast trackers, bail liners, and a party barge strung together like a floating trailer park. Anchored out and getting loud all summer long. Side by side, there's 5 houseboat front porches, AstroTurf lawn chairs and tiki torches. Regular Joes rocking the boat, that's us, the Redneck Yacht Club. Bermuda's flip-flops and a tank top tan. He popped his first top at 10 a.m. That's Bob. He's our president. We're checking out the girls on the upper deck, rubbing in the 15 SPF. It's hot. Everybody's jumping in. Later on when the sun goes down, we'll pull out the jar and that old guitar and pass them around. Bass trackers, bail liners, and a party barge strung together like a floating trailer park. Anchored out and getting loud all summer long. Side by side, there's 5 houseboat front porches, AstroTurf lawn chairs and tiki torches. Regular Joes rocking the boat, that's us, the Redneck Yacht Club. When the party's over and we're all alone, we'll be making waves in a no-wake zone. Fast trackers, bail liners, and a party barge strung together like a floating trailer park. Anchored out and getting loud all summer long. Side by side, there's 5 houseboat front porches, AstroTurf lawn chairs and tiki torches. Regular Joes rocking the boat, that's us, the Redneck Yacht Club. Redneck Yacht Club. The Redneck Yacht Club.
C'était donc Monsieur Craig Morgan.
Nous partons maintenant avec notre morceau en français de l'émission, interprété par Monsieur Paul Magbonvin, qui nous arrive de Suisse. Nous avons eu la chance de le voir entre autres en concert à Montivilliers il y a quelques années. Le titre de ce soir s'intitule « Ainsi va la vie », Monsieur Paul Magbonvin.
Tu me dis toujours que ça va. Tu t'aimes que tu n'aimes que moi.
Quand tu penses fort, j'ai des doutes que notre lit soit vide au matin. Rassure-moi, c'est des petits riens. Les enfants ont grandi, les soucis aussi. L'école, les copains, les petites amies. On ne pleure pas, ainsi va la vie. Trouver un boulot, la voiture, la première fois. Le grand amour, les chagrins, les larmes de joie. Une maison et des enfants qui crient. Rassure-toi, c'est pour la vie. Les enfants ont grandi, quelque part ils font leur vie. La petite maison est bien vide aujourd'hui. On ne pleure pas, ainsi va la vie. Ne pleure pas, ainsi va la vie. On ne pleure pas, ainsi va la vie. Na 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 na.
C'était donc monsieur Paul McBonvin.
Et vous êtes toujours avec Nat et Claude dans l'émission Country Valley sur les 103.1 de la radio RVL à Épouville. Et si vous voulez nous joindre, vous pouvez le faire au 02 35 30 53 84. Eh bien, nous continuons avec un groupe suédois, Crash and Recovery. On a eu la chance, d'ailleurs, je les ai contactés hier, non même pas, ce matin, et ils nous ont déjà répondu qu'ils nous ont envoyé leur dernier album. Super sympa. Vous allez voir, c'est génial ce qu'ils font. Un groupe suédois, donc, qui a été reconnu meilleur groupe d'Europe au British Country Music Award. Ça remonte à 10 ans en 2014, mais ils tournent toujours aussi bien. Leur premier album sort en 2012 et le second en 2014. Superbe voix que celle de la chanteuse Linda Engström, de la très bonne country à la nordique, j'oserais dire. Et bien écoute, Crash and Recovery, 1000 Mile Walk.
Headlights. The car has passed you by like roadkill on the side. Why bother trying when you walk 1,000 miles just to get older? When the road is taken most of your life. When these hours, days and weeks sight. I want to tell you it'll be alright. In the morning you'll see things in a different light. I wonder why you walk 1,000 miles just to get older. Why the road's taken most of your life. Why these hours, days and weeks seems to get colder. A few rides, time passes by. Promise of a new dawn won't instill no hope in no man. When the mileage lies behind and the road is getting narrow. When you walk 1,000 miles just to get older. When the road's taken most of your life. When these hours, days and weeks seems to get colder. A few rides, time when you walk 1,000 miles just to get older. When the road's taken most of your life. When these hours, days and weeks seems to get colder. A few rides, time passes by. When you walk 1,000 miles.
C'était le groupe Crash and Recovery qui nous arrive de Suède.
Randy Rogers Band est le groupe avec qui nous partons maintenant. Originaire de San Marcos au Texas, composé de 6 membres, nous avons eu la chance de les voir en concert au Festival de Craponne en 2004. Le titre de ce soir est tiré de leur album Hellbent, sorti en 2019. Ce titre s'intitule Winning a Coffee Cup de suite Randy Rogers Band.
Alarm clock rings, same old thing. 6:35, same routine. All dolled up and ready on the road by 8. Does her makeup on the way, she's never been late. Nobody at work has any idea how much she's hurt. When she walks in, she hides it so well, you never know what's going on. Self-medication all day long. There's wine in her coffee cup. It's an undercover pick-me-up. She runs the show from 9 to 5. Her Hollywood smile is just a big disguise. It's the oldest known remedy to hiding from reality. Every day you staying all messed up. Wine in a coffee cup. Every afternoon on the way home, down at the liquor store, all alone. It's whatever it takes for her to stay numb. And she pours another when the morning comes. Chardonnay, Pinot makes it all go away. Wine in her coffee cup, that's her undercover pick-me-up. She runs the show from 9 to 5, but her Hollywood smile is just a big disguise. It's the oldest known remedy to hiding from reality. Every day you stand all messed up from wine in a coffee cup. Wine in a coffee cup.
C'était donc le groupe Randy Rogers Band.
Eh bien, nous partons maintenant avec une grande figure, Monsieur Dan Fogelberg, artiste américain né le 13 août 1951 dans l'Illinois et qui nous a quittés malheureusement à l'âge de 56 ans en 2007. Il travaille dans différents styles, dans le rock, le soft rock, le country, la folk, une carrière impressionnante au goût, avec un goût d'inachevé. 20 albums entre 1972 et 2009, immense artiste, comme je le disais, parti beaucoup trop jeune. En 1985, il sort l'album High Country Snows, celui dont on tire le morceau de ce soir, et un superbe morceau qui s'intitule Sutter's Mill.
In the spring of 47, so the story it is told. Old John Sutter went to the millside and found a piece of shining gold. Well, he took it to the city where the word like wildfire spread. And old John Sutter soon came to wish he left that stone in the riverbed. For there came every woman, child, and man in their lumbering Conestogas. They left their tracks upon the land. Some would fail and some would prosper. Some would die. Sutter's Mill. Well, they came from New York City, and they came from Alabama with their dreams of finding fortunes in this wild, unsettled land. Well, some fell prey to hostile arrows as they tried to cross the plain. Some were lost in the Rocky Mountains with their hands froze to the rain. Oh, some would fail and some would prosper. Some would die and some would kill. Some would thank the Lord for their deliverance. Some would curse John Sutter's mill. Some pushed on to California, and others stopped to take their rest. And by the spring of 1860, they had opened up the West. And then the railroad came behind them, and the land was plowed and changed. When old John Sutter went to meet his maker, not one penny to his name. Oh, some would fail and some would prosper. Some would die and some would kill. Some would thank the Lord for their deliverance. Some would curse John Sutter's mill. Some would curse John Sutter's mill. Some men's thirsts are never filled.
C'était donc l'excellent Dan Fogelberg, je cherchais le nom.
Et pour finir ma sélection, nous partons avec un groupe originaire d'Atlanta, en Géorgie. Il s'agit de Sugarland. Le titre de ce soir s'intitule Something More. En voici quelques paroles. J'ai besoin d'un peu moins de temps dur, j'ai besoin d'un peu plus de bonheur. Je vous laisse donc de suite découvrir ce titre avec le groupe Sugarland.
Monday, hard to wake up, fill my coffee cup, I'm out the door. Yeah, the freeway, standing still today, is gonna make me late, and that's for sure. I'm running out of gas and out of time, never gonna make it there by 9. There's gotta be something more, gotta be more than this. I need a little less hard time, I need a little more bliss. I'm gonna take my chances, taking a chance I might find what I'm looking for. There's gotta dirty, but it can wait. Yeah, 'cause right now I need some downtime to drink some red wine and celebrate. Yeah, Armageddon could be knocking at my door, but I ain't gonna answer, that's for sure. There's gotta be something more, gotta be more than this. I need a little less hard time, I need a little more of this. I'm gonna take my chances, taking a chance I might find what I'm looking for. Gotta be something more. Got to be more.
C'était donc le groupe Sugarland.
Et tu nous mets de la country rock, c'est
Ah
rare.
oui,
hein.
oui.
Eh bien, nous allons terminer cette émission avec un groupe qui s'appelle The Cruzeros, groupe formé en 1985, mais leur carrière démarre réellement en 1996. Ils ont sorti 3 albums, un en 96, un en 2000, un en 2005, et je vous pose la question, je vous donnerai la réponse après le morceau. De quelle origine est ce groupe? On écoute The Cruzeros avec Scandalosa.
Well, there's a rumor going round, it'll be all over town. You didn't hear it from me, but I know what's going down. You promised not to say a word, we'll tell you everything I heard. Time it gets on back to me, it sounds so absurd. A man and a wife, they've been acting just like lovers. That wouldn't be so bad, but they ain't married to each other. And I'm not the one to blame, 'cause I ain't naming any names. But if you guess who it is, you two can play the game. Oh, Scandalosa, you spread like a virus through the town. Oh, Scandalosa, you're the one that spreads them rumors all around. Oh, let that be. Well, that's just the kind of thing we need. You plant a little seed, whisper it in someone's ear, watch it grow like a weed. And each time it gets repeated, it's a little more completed. And it won't be very long till all the truth has been deleted. Oh, Scandalosa, you spread like a virus through the town. Oh, Scandalosa, you're the one that spreads them rumors all around. Was it just a friendly kiss, saying goodnight? Whatever their intentions, the moon was far too bright. We don't care who gets hurt, it's just for fun. When our lives get too boring, we'll spread another one. Oh, Scandalosa, you spread like a virus through the town. Oh, Scandalosa, you're the one that spreads them rumors all around. Oh, Scandalosa, you spread like a virus through the town. Oh, Scandalosa, you're the one that spreads them rumors all around. Yeah, you're the one that spreads them rumors all around.
An old cowboy went riding out one dark and windy day. Up on a ridge he rested as he went along his way. When all at once
Chers auditeurs et chères auditrices, et oui, l'heure touche déjà à sa fin. Effectivement, une heure passe très très vite, mais rassurez-vous, on se retrouve pour notre part dans un mois. Par contre, Claude, dans début juin. Et je vous souhaite une bonne soirée. À bientôt.
Eh bien, à mon tour, chers auditeurs et auditrices, je vous souhaite, comme Nat, une excellente soirée. Je vais vous donner la réponse. Même Maxence s'est fait prendre au piège. Ce groupe, The Cruzeros, n'est ni du Mexique, ni du Texas. Ils sont du Canada. Donc, comme quoi, c'est trompeur. Eh bien, je vous souhaite à tous une excellente soirée. Pour ma part, on se retrouve début juin, premier mercredi de juin. Et en attendant, je vous souhaite une bonne soirée. Attention au coup de soleil et à la prochaine. Keep it country!
Ghost riders in